Okay guys, we received the Nissan Qashqai, which we're gonna blast deep in the Monsoon Colorshift. It is a beautiful blue. It changed from light blue to dark blue. It's amazing. First time we're gonna use that Colorshift, so looking forward to do it. So that's pretty much, guys. I'm just gonna start masking the car, getting ready, and start blast deeping. So keep watching. Okay guys, and this is the final result of the Monsoon Colorshift. It looks amazing, completely different car now. We painted the mirrors in gloss black, we also painted the grille in gloss black, so that's pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your